Okay, good day, guys. Good day to you all. Welcome back again to the Formula Sports channel. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Today, we're talking about Reggae Boy goalkeeper Corey Addai. Knock up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also share the video as well. Free and easy ways to support the channel. Now, this particular move would have been made a couple of weeks ago. The reason why so it is late, but the reason why I'm doing a video on it is because I don't think a lot of people are aware of this situation. So I decided to do a video on it. I think it passed a lot of people. It passed even me. Right? I was not made aware of this particular situation, or I stumbled across the information, in very, very recent times. So it is not something that I personally is aware that happened, right? It took place probably about like 3 weeks ago. So it is very late. But yes, ladies and gentlemen, you're seeing it on your screen. Reggae Boy goalkeeper Corey Addai, that player who, up until when he made that team for the Catalonia game, not many people would have known a lot about. Me personally, I had never even heard of him. But Corey Addai has made a transfer move from the Danish second division, where he was the same club as another reggae boy, Akwasa Chang. Iceberg, I think is how you pronounce it. Former club of ex-reggae boy Rudolph Austin as well. That was the last club that Austin would have played at in Europe. Corey Addai has made a move to this particular club, Crawley Town FC, over there in England. This club competes in the English fourth tier. So I'm gonna read the article to you guys right now, which is on your screen, and this is on the Crawley Town website. Alright, so the headline reads, Corey Addai joins Betsy's Reds. Shot stopper joins the Reds on a 2-year deal. They said the date there, July the 4th, 2022. Probably, I think that time, if I'm not mistaken, was the women's qualifiers taking place around that time. So probably we got lost in that, and the deal or the move, would have slipped us by. I don't know. But Crawley Town Football Club is delighted to announce the signing of goalkeeper Corey Addai on a 2-year deal. The 24-year-old was previously at Iceberg FB in the Danish second division. Corey began his career at the Arsenal Youth Academy before linking up with the Coventry U18 team in 2014. Whilst with the Sky Blues, Addai enjoyed loan spells with Micklehove and Telford United. If I'm not mistaken, I think Telford is in the lower tiers, like non-league football. Not so sure about Micklehove. After leaving Coventry in 2020, Addai joined Barnsley, where he was loaned out once more, this time to Chesterfield in the National League. Corey made the move to Denmark for the 2021-2022 season. The young shot stopper has trained with the Reds for the last week and featured as a trialist in Crawley Town's pre-season opener against Eastbourne at the weekend, keeping a clean sheet in the process. Since then, Corey has flown out to Murcia. Not so sure how you pronounce that particular place. If I'm not mistaken, it is in Spain. Don't quote me on that though. Corey has flown out to Murcia or Murcia, however you pronounce it, to join the lads in Pinatar for a 6-day warm weather training camp. After signing for the Reds, Addai said, and this is him being quoted, "It feels very good to get the deal done. I think that this is a very good deal this is a very good club rather to be at. I have been here for over a week now and I have really enjoyed my time. So it made sense for me to get the deal over the line." When Crawley came up, I knew it was the perfect option for me. Being a young pro, I am very happy to be here at a club like Crawley. Speaking on Crawley's move, Corey's move rather, manager Kevin Betsy said, we have been really impressed with Corey during his time with us. He has trained really well and adapted to the style of play that we are looking to implement. But most importantly, he's a great shot stopper. He is really good inside the box and has a fantastic presence. Yeah, that is true. That is true in the games that I've seen of him. Corey will provide very strong competition to Glenn. Interesting. So he's not being brought in as the main option. Interesting. He's being brought in as a backup goalkeeper, the second choice. Corey will provide strong competition to Glenn, who has been a fantastic servant to the club. It is very important to have good competition from a young goalkeeper. We are delighted that he has chosen to join us. That particular starting goalkeeper though, Glenn, he is 38 years old. And I think it's important to note that there are only two goalkeepers right now currently signed to this club, Crawley Town. Seeing the starting goalkeeper and Corey Addai. So that's very interesting. This particular club, Crawley Town, plays in the English 4th tier in League 2. Seeing last season they would have finished 12th in League 2. Seen, and they play at the Broadfield Stadium, right, which has a capacity of 6,000 seats. It's a 6,000 seater stadium. Seen? So those are pictures of the stadium on your screen. You know, I like to give you guys a quick little rundown of the particular club in question. So yeah, as I said, two goalkeepers on the books, the other being 38, almost 39 years old. So that goalkeeper is pretty much on his way out, right? He can't improve. He's only going to be getting worse. And this seems on the face of it as a move that they think that Corey Addai has the potential to become the starting goalkeeper. So this is very much a grooming for the, if not the short term, you know, not too far, not too long off from now, you know, because as I said, the other goalkeeper is 38. Later this year, he will be 39. So I'm sure they're looking to in the next season or two, if not in a shorter time period than that, to move Addai up to the first choice. Addai spent one season in Denmark, played 4 games in the Danish second division, 3 games in the reserve league, right? And that is like the youth Danish league. So overall 7 games in Denmark in his one season over there in Denmark. So this is a young goalkeeper. I think he's 24. This is a goalkeeper that is in desperate need of game time. You know, young goalkeeper really needs game time. Hopefully, as quickly as possible, he can move to being the first choice at Crawley Town. I think it's a good move for him, given the context and given the circumstances at the club that he's at and the level that the club plays. I think, you know, hopefully he goes there and gets sufficient game time, and hopefully those games can come, you know, relatively quickly, because, you know, we want this player to hit the ground running and really and truly get his professional career going as quickly as possible. So hopefully, you know, who knows, let's see if him can replace the first choice keeper this season and become the first choice starting goalkeeper. Who knows, let's see. You know, he's a decent goalkeeper, Corey Addai. I have seen most, if not all, of his performances in Denmark, and he's a well-rounded keeper, I'll tell you that much. The only issue I have with him is that he does have a mistake from time to time, which is not surprising given the fact that he is a young goalkeeper who has not played a lot of games at the professional level. So, but apart from that, he is a keeper that does have good talent and does, have considerable upside, and a goalkeeper that you think, can go from strength to strength and end up becoming a good goalkeeper for not only club and not only for his personal career, but also hopefully for the national team. Andre Blake is in desperate need of competition at the goalkeeping position. Seeing so again, young goalkeeper Corey Addai on the move to Crawley Town FC over there in the English 4th tier in the English League 2. Ladies and gentlemen, that's my 2 cents. Knock up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also share the video as well. Free and easy ways to support the channel. Take care, stay safe, and until next time.